Hi guys, so today, of course I'm your host Anthony the driver, and today my brethren Kenroy is showing us a property, right? He's a realtor, so we're in Shirley, Lafayette Drive. So let's take a look. All right, guys. So this is a 5 bedroom, 1 bath, central air. The only issue is there's no garage, but it is a big driveway. I'll let Kenroy explain a little bit more as we go along.
Another unit and just put it upstairs. So connection there and everything there. So we want another unit and another unit possibly. So basically have the cut off switch and everything. Most of the time when you have set up a central air unit, at least a wedding cost bit. But it's easy to just add a unit and just put it upstairs.
So I love the fact that the kitchen has a door. He's explaining that there's 3 rooms downstairs plus the bathroom. We're gonna take a look.
She just bought the house. She want to open up the space. We have the kitchen open. The fireplace functional. And then these are the wall units.
So the 1 bath was downstairs. Some work needed to be done to the face basin and the bath itself, but it's definitely moving ready. And as we move along to take a look at this room, this realtor tried to trick me, guys. He's trying to tell me this was a room, right? That she turned into a dining room. I'm like, no, this is half of a room. That was not a room. And then we went into one of the master bedrooms downstairs. Right, as you can see, it's not very big, but it's big enough. All right, that was 2 rooms. This is the second room. As you can see, the closet is not finished. She was doing some renovation on the closet, but so far so good. I hadn't much complaints. And yesterday, the heater, what? Electric oil?
Oil based work.
Okay. So that's what 2.5 room downstairs, really. God, it's a 2. This are like half.
One's a half.
That is half.
Alright, see now, on this, working at the States, as long as the whole that's it, that's our room.
Papa, that's half. 1 bathroom. What's the closet space? Okay. Alright guys, so as we make our way upstairs, let's take one more look at the living room. So we made our way upstairs. As you can see, my daughter is right there and I brought my mom with me. This is my mom's line of work, so she was asking all the questions she could possibly ask. She was looking in depth at the walls, at the painting, everything that you could think of. She was asking a question. As I said, it's her expertise, so hey, that's why I brought her. So there she is. She and Kenroy is talking about the layout of the place. We are liking the rooms. Of course, they could have been a little bit bigger. Julissa is definitely not feeling it, but... So, Papa, what do you think of the property?
You don't want to buy the property. You don't buy the property. I tell you when you don't buy the property. You don't buy the property. And then we don't put... Because you have to think about it, you know. They may name Kale. So, you have at least... can push it back.
Right.
So when you push it back, you can have a space. And you have a dormer right here, so.
Right.
And if you put 1 bathroom right here, so.
Right.
You can sell it for $575.